Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the exact file and opening the app or cloud service that stores it. Once done, select the file and open the menu labeled Version History or Revisions. You need to understand why. Version lists show timestamps and authors, so you can pick a safe restore point. Make sure to pause and not overwrite anything now. Instead, preview entries. If the service supports it, enable a preview pane so you can inspect content without committing changes. You now choose the most appropriate previous version by scanning timestamps and editor names, because the right restore depends on when the unwanted change occurred. Once you pick one, preview it to confirm the content matches what you need. Make sure to compare with the current file. Many platforms let you view differences side by side. If the preview looks correct, note the version's date and any change notes. Do not hit restore until you are certain. Previewing prevents accidental rollback to the wrong state. You finalize by clicking restore or revert and then confirm any prompts. If the system offers a backup, accept it so you can recover if needed. After restore, verify the file thoroughly, open, run any tests, and check metadata to ensure the correct version is active. If something goes wrong, make sure to check the trash or backups and contact your admin or support right away. One troubleshooting tip: if the version you need is absent, inspect other linked accounts or older backups before assuming it's lost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.